Hello, my name is Bezade and today I'm going to be telling you when and how TUPE applies to your business. Keep watching to find out more. The Transfer of Undertakings Protection of Employment Regulations, or otherwise known as TUPE, apply to all employees of companies in the private, public, not-for-profit sectors in situations involving business transfers or service provision changes. Here, we take a look at how TUPE may apply to your business, providing a broad overview of the necessary steps for compliance. The most common occasion TUPE will apply is during the sale of a business which has employees. If you are transferring your business or any part of your business, or merging with another company, you need to be fully compliant with TUPE. If you are the transferor, the seller, this means you must take the following 4 steps. Number 1, inform staff and employee representatives of the transfer when it will occur and the reasons for the transfer, as well as any impact it will have on staff, particularly if the company is being reorganised. Number 2, give employees and their representatives ample opportunity to consult with you on the impact of the transfer. Number 3, at least 14 days before the transfer is complete, you must provide the incoming employer with full written details of all employees who will be transferred, including the details of each position and employees' rights and liabilities. And number 4, after the transfer is complete, you must prepare an updated written statement of employment, informing employees of their new employer's name and confirming the terms and conditions of their employment, which have been retained. You will also have to comply with TUPE for transfers, known as service provision changes, which is when you are outsourcing work to a contractor, bringing outsourced work back in-house, or if a new contractor is taking over activities from an existing contractor. In other words, TUPE applies to any situation involving first generation and second generation outsourcing, retendering and insourcing. It's important to note that under the 2014 TUPE amendments, the services being transferred must be fundamentally the same as before the transfer in order for the TUPE to apply. There are also a number of other conditions which must be met immediately before the transfer of services for TUPE to be applicable. So before changing any arrangements with your contractors, you should consult with a qualified solicitor to determine whether the regulations apply to your situation and to undertake the necessary measures for compliance. TUPE is a complex area of employment law, with specific processes to be followed in each of the different circumstances it applies for. At the London Law Practice, we specialise in all areas of employment law, company law and dispute resolution, so we can help you gain a better understanding of TUPE, whether you're an incoming or outgoing employer, or if you need to effect a service provision change. Contact us today to see how we can help your business.